Hey guys, hi, it's Julie the Creative Chica coming to you with a little share. And this is what I made, but I'll talk to you about this in a second. I'm going to move it out of the way. Before I do that, I wanted to have a little rant. I hope you guys are okay with that. I don't normally rant, but I went to Starbucks today. I was at Costco and I bought this pumpkin spice latte. What I wanted was a coffee with some of the stuff in it. And that poor guy, he did not know how to take my order. But anyway, I did get a pumpkin spice latte iced. And, uh, you know, it's not as great as I remember it. And it doesn't have a lot of pumpkin spice flavor. The beans, the coffee in there its taste a little burnt. And I guess that's what they do. It's not my favorite. And I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed that my coffee wasn't great today. But I'll still drink it. It's awfully sugary and burnt tasting, and I think it's going to be my last time ordering that. I used to love them, and I didn't realize, since I did get a healthier mouth taste for food, that that I didn't like it with all that sugar and all the stuff. So that's my rant, that sometimes when you buy something that you've been used to and then you wait and then you buy it again and it doesn't seem right. I think I can do a better job. I made a pumpkin spice coffee this morning with pumpkin spice coffee from Sprouts, and then I put pumpkin spice, the spice on top of the coffee grounds when I made my coffee, and it was really good. I really enjoyed it. That was tasting like a pumpkin spice. This does not. I'm really sorry about that. Anywho, I wanted to show you guys what I am working on, or what I worked on. I'll show you how it started, and let me get that out for you. So I had bought these. They say thankful, and about 2 of them, because I was going to make one for myself and my sister, my twin sister, and I got them at the Dollar Tree, and it was about a couple months ago, a month or 2 ago, and they light up. You just pull the tab here where the battery is, and then turn it on, and it's already got a battery in it, and it's cute. It lights up, and I thought, that's cool. I like that. So I thought I can do decoupage. I'm on a group of decoupage stuff. I'm not really great. I would say I'm okay at decoupage, but I'm learning. My friends in the group are teaching me how to do napkin decoupage, and I'm enjoying it. It's fun. I have a lot of napkins, so I better do something with them other than cards. But anyway, this is really nice, and I used what's the name of it? It's called Nutmeg. I think it's Americana paint, and I know it's called Nutmeg. It's real nice. It looks like a wood stain. So I used that and a napkin. Let me show you. So let me put that there, and here is what I did. So first of all, this was glued on, and I popped the glue off so I could just take it off and use it any way I want. So maybe at Christmas I can use it on a Christmas project. This is lightly glued around, and I just went ahead and took the glue off, and it actually sits nicely. It is snug. It's got little tabs so it won't go through. And I used the nutmeg, and then I cleaned it with a wet rag. I buy these from the Dollar Tree and then cut them, and then I use them to clean things up. Anyway, so I used that, and then I let it dry, the nutmeg acrylic. I didn't seal it. I just put it on and then wiped it off. Try to do quite a bit of it. Like I said, I'm not perfect at it, so I don't know. Might look like a 5-year-old's work, but anyway, I think it's okay. And then the napkin, what I did was I put down the napkin. Oh, by the way, these are the napkins that I got from Cheryl. Whoops, my friend Cheryl in Arizona. She gave me napkins, these fall napkins, and I decided it would look really pretty here. So that's how I used it, because I just kind of laid it on there. I used the little Dollar Tree Mod Podge, and trying to look and see if I can find it so I can show you guys in case you haven't gotten one. They come in small bottles like this, So I bought this. That's not true. It's $1.25. Anyway, got the Mod Podge, and I went ahead and took it and painted the wood with it. Okay. Oh, first I painted it with, I think it's called Swan White or Snow White. No, Swan. I'm pretty sure it was Swan, because I wanted it to be brighter than the wood. So I did paint it first with chalk paint, and the chalk paint's from Walmart. Oh, I can't see it from here. It's across the way, and I can't see it. Hang on, let me grab it, and I could show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I grabbed it. It is called, it's by Hello Hobby, Walmart. Chalk Swan White, acrylic paint, opaque, matte finish, designed for layering and distressing, non-toxin, and water-based. So I got this, and I painted the base, the wood. And then after I did that, after I did the wood, I let it dry. And then I went ahead and took my napkin and kind of like laid it out, measured it. Laid it out and measured it like so. And then I took my like mini Cricut thing, and I did it all the way to number 2, because you can turn it like that. So I did it all the way to number 2, and then I just went ahead and wait, let's see. I glued it. Wait, I'm trying to think how I did this. Did the acrylic paint, then after the acrylic paint, I put Mod Podge. Now it was dry overnight, so then I put Mod Podge. I let that dry really well, and then I came with my Cricut and my napkin, and I just like ironed it on. And then I got this. But so here's the thing, you guys. Look at all these little like crevices. So there's a lot of crevices in this, and I had to ask one of my group friends about how do I get in there. So I took, they showed me some videos. I took like one of those long barbecue lighters, went outside my patio. It's an open patio, so there's nothing going to happen out there. And then I lit it up. Well, before I did that, I took like a pokey tool, poked in between everything, and then I went ahead. I left very little on the edges, like exposed. So when this napkin was on there, I made sure to cut it real close, and then make sure to poke it and all that. Then I took my lighter, and I tried to light it from the back. I was worried about soot, and so I went ahead and did that, and then I did the fronts, and I tried to do it straight, like straight up and down, so that I could get in the middle. And so it burns away all the edges and the centers pretty good. And then when I was done with that, I took this file and I went down like this to anything that was hanging. I went ahead and went down. And then that was good. So then, and there was a little soot. I don't know that this is soot, but anyway, I took my eraser and erased like that. Just erased anything that I thought would be looking like soot and ugly. So I went like that and took it off, and that was that. And then the rest of this is the napkin, the way the napkin looks. And so then when I was finished with that, and of course I had done that, and before I sealed it, I had, painted it, took this out, just popped it out and painted it, and then wiped it. And this, I'm not going to seal this. I don't think it needs to be sealed. It's not going to be getting wet. I did seal the top. I took Minwax polyacrylic crystal clear top coat in the clear matte, and I took a little bit of that and I put it in one of these Dollar Tree little square things. So there's about, I don't know, 1/4 inch down the bottom, and I've labeled it polyacrylic clear matte, so I know what it is. And it says to wait 2 hours before you, see it says prep it, sand it lightly. I don't need to because it's not wood, but it says stir well, and I used a stick, like one of these kind of sticks, you know, coffee stick, and I just kept that from a coffee place. And I stirred this at the bottom till around the bottom a little bit, and poured it into here, and then closed this up and worked out of here very lightly. And I used I used this brush, and it's not too big of a brush, but it's enough to get in here. Okay, so this is my first time doing this, so it's not perfect. It could look better, definitely could look better, but I'm okay with it. It's, you know, I got this one. If I want to do it again, I'm not sure that I'm going to do it again. I might do something else. I don't know what I'll do with this. I might paint it. I just don't know. But I do like the way this came out as far as the napkin and all the leaves. Everything has really good, like you could really see the pretty leaves. And then when you turn it on, I'll show this to you guys. I'm going to turn my lights off so you can see. Hang on. Oh, well, I'll turn this on first. And I'll turn my lights off. There we go. Look how pretty that looks. Not bad. Not bad at all. So it looks nice. And I think that it turned out okay. And I can reuse the little light. And I just wanted to show you guys. Now, I'm not going to do a tutorial, maybe someday, but not anytime soon, because it wasn't easy to do this. Plus, you got to like burn it, and I did that outside, and it was just like burn the stuff in between. So it was a whole lot of mess. So, but it was okay. I didn't mind doing that. I might paint this one. I just don't know what I'm going to do yet, because I'm like over it. I need to do something else, maybe some sewing. But I wanted to show you guys my little, sorry about the noise, you guys. I got my doors open, and it is the middle of the day, and there's traffic outside. I back up, my house backs up to a major street, so I got my windows open because it's really nice today. Anyway, that's it. I wanted to show you that, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it and the little explanation I gave you. I'll try to find that video where she shows how to burn like the centers and all that, and she does a really good job of showing it. It's just that I tried to do it, but I don't know. I don't know if it was like I painted the edges too much or what. I'll have to do a little investigation and see how it goes, and see if I will decide to do another one. I don't know. I might. Anyway, that's all for today. I hope you guys are having a good day, and be blessed. And I'll see you guys in the next video.